Mr. Speaker, I thank you for the opportunity to provide an answer to the question that has been posed by the Honourable Rokamatu. First, allow me, Mr. Speaker, to join you and the rest of the House in congratulating the students from Naita Siri who are joining us here today. And it seems like a Naita Siri day today, Mr. Speaker. They were here in the morning, and they are here again this afternoon. In fact, they were here yesterday, another school, that is. And so we not only have a happy Minister for Finance and the Minister for Education, and those from Ireland, of course, the Honourable Lenora, who is Wasu of Naita Siri. But we also have a very happy Minister of Policing to welcome the students from Naita Siri, and their teachers and their supporters. Secondly, Mr. Speaker, I want to say my well wishes to all the athletes, the teachers, parents, and supporters of the primary school children who are today participating, today and tomorrow, in the Takas Games, or the Takas Athletics Meet underway. And to Ndilo and the Subaru team, I wish you all the very best in the next 2 days. Mr. Speaker, the island of Munia was agreed to be purchased by government in its program in 1989. Approximately 1,110 acres or 449.5 hectares of land was bought by the government in 1989 for a value of $450,000. And now it was, so Yabusa Munia comprises of 4 Matangalis, and they are Matangali Marama, Matangali Nakia, Matangali Narodake, and Matangali Sawelau. I'm happy to report to the House, Mr. Speaker, that their repayment, after a lot of hard yards being covered, a lot of solis and everyone pitching in from the 4 Matangalis and for those who supported them, and their undertaking to repay government of the $450,000, that they managed after 36 years and 6 months to pay off the balance of $56,000, 21.92 cents, and that was settled on the 17th of November, a few days ago. Mr. Speaker, after the settlement and the final payment to the Ministry of Lands, which we have received and receipted, we now look forward to the formation of their trust, and once their trust documents have been completed, then we will finalize the last chapter of the conveyance of Munia Island back to its traditional owners. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.